this video, we're going to show how to create a BOM from Excel. So first you can start by importing to a catalog. The Excel file for a catalog looks like this. So it's just part numbers and attributes or properties about the item. So this is more like a parts list. So notice that the row number with property names, the default is row number 9. So that's where you have the column names. Another common position is they are straight on position 1 there, or row number 1. So let's select that file to import from Excel, just a master parts list, and click import. This will create a catalog. If you already have a catalog, you can also import to the catalog directly. So notice that you can import also pictures. The next step will be creating an item for the bill of material for the item, the top item. So let's create, for example, an item for the bike itself. And let's give it a name. And click on create new BOM for this item. You can leave the defaults on. And on this bill of material, click on import from Excel. Import. You can select the Excel file from here. Now this file has a slightly different structure or content. So all you need is just level, part number, and quantity. If you are not importing multi-level, you don't need the level column, just part number and quantity if you are importing to a single level to the bill of material. If you want to import multi-level, you can create indentation, or like this will be a sub-assembly. This will be the first item of that sub-assembly. So the level will be 6.1, 6.2, 6.3. So position 1, position 6. So if you import this bill of material, let's see the result. Okay, you can delete the first item, you don't need it. So there you go. You have the first bill of material. You can also switch to multi-level. So if you don't see the information being populated from child items, you can just unselect the catalog and notice the dependency of the bill of material of the selected catalogs, like the properties are not populating from the catalog. Select it again, and all those levels will be populated. So you can see all the information is being populated from all levels. You can visualize it also with visualization, so you can see all your structure in your bill of material imported from Excel. Thank you. See you in another video.